to the channel. Today we are going to be having a NC headlight mod, and there's a couple things that's going to be in this video. It's going to be a little mix of daily driver as well, but we are going to clean these up and as well as paint them black inside, so that chrome is disgusting, as you can see. Just a little update. I've been working on NC a little bit at the shop. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring the camera for you guys, but maybe tomorrow we might start it up. So I'll bring the camera for that, but I don't know if I'll be able to show the work, but I'll be able to explain the work later down the road for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. So we're gonna start disassembling everything. This is actually my first time doing this, and I am pretty scared, to be honest. I don't want to screw anything up, so I'm just gonna have to do one by myself, and then hopefully the next one I can kind of explain to you how I disassemble it. But I'm gonna preheat the oven right now for 250, take everything off, and then look up the guides again, make sure I'm on the right track, and then we'll start getting painting. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I pretty much took all the screws out. Just make sure you're looking around, taking all the screws out. This is still my first headlight, by the way, so I don't know. Took the rubber grommets out, and now I am gonna put in the oven once it heats up. I'm gonna double check everything though. My goal right now is just to take, the bottom's off too, okay. My goal right now is just to take apart one, possibly paint it and clean it, and then put it back together and just do the other one after, because I'm kind of bad with directions, so I'm just gonna take it one at a time. And I got all day. All right guys, it's in the oven now. It's gonna leave it in there maybe for like 5-10 minutes, and we're gonna take it out and try to pry it. Guys, looks like we got it out. I'm pushing all the glue back in. It wasn't too bad. It was actually pretty easy. Just pushing all the glue back in to where it's gonna stick, because we will need it to stick again. So I took a flathead and I pretty much pried all of it around, and I pushed the glue back in. Wow, you can already see this is very dirty, so we're gonna give that a clean, push all the glue back in, and then we're gonna take this off and we are just gonna paint it. Here you go guys, this is what we're gonna paint. I'm just gonna take this thing off right here. Alright guys, it's been about 5-6 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out now and try to pry it out for you guys. There it is, guys. So that was at 260 for about, let's say 6-7 minutes. I was gonna have a 250, but then I had the oven off, so there you go. All right, guys, this is about the second coat. I'm probably gonna do one more heavy coat and splash it with some clear. It is looking good. Dry up for about an hour, and then we hit it with some clear. Now we're gonna work on these super ugly headlamps. Probably gotta sand it down with 1000 and hit it with some clear. So just shot the clear. Shh. Shh, come here. Okay, never mind. Just lay on the ground. So pretty much, I cleared this, but it looks disgusting. So I might have to redo this later with the other one, because I didn't really do that one because I was scared to do this one, but it doesn't look that bad actually. It just needs to be really clean, and I didn't clean it well. So we'll leave these plastics on the side. We're gonna redo these two shortly. These look pretty much done. I hit them with some clear, and it is looking real fresh. Just get a nice little blackness out of it. So I'm gonna put it back together on the inside, and then we're gonna wrap these up. I probably gotta get it like a 600 because it has some black stuff I can't get off. Probably hit it with both of the 600 and then hit it with some clear after. Yo, what is up, guys? It's actually the next day now. I am packing all my stuff. We got some clamps, laptop. So in terms of the headlight, I'm going to drop off to my friend to get it cleaned. He owes me a little bit of favor, so I'm gonna drop it off to him today around 2, and then I'm gonna go visit my family. So I'm going to the shop after that around 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna be working on the Miata. We're gonna be probably starting it today. Fingers crossed. If I do start it, I will record it. Unfortunately, I can't record the process of me doing the work because it is like a private shop and they don't really want videos right now. So, but I'm bringing the camera with me, and if I get it started for you guys, and if I'm able to record anything for you guys, I will. And in terms of the headlights, they look great. They're just gonna need cleaned up. I'm probably gonna pick them up again sometime this week, so I'll reveal it to you guys how it looks completely cleaned and done. And then I'm pretty much gonna put everything back together for you guys. But the video will probably end in a bit, so I figure out either I want to show you guys at the car starting and kind of run through the process. I do have to tune the car too, so I bought my laptop. I'm hoping that Brian gave me a bass tune. He sent me a new USB for the ECU tech, but because it's new USB, I have to send him a file that says, okay, this is the new one, and send it back and forth. So it's a process, but I mean, at least maybe you guys will get to see it today. And yeah, we'll start from there, guys. Thank you. Cleaned it up after. Yeah.